In this example, I'm going to convert moles of propane to grams of propane. In any of these mole to gram or gram to mole conversions, we always want to start with what we have. And in this case, what we have is grams of propane. So we're going to write down how many grams of propane we have. Since we have 552 grams of propane, we want to convert this into moles of propane. So in the end, we're going to end up with an answer that's in moles of propane. In order to get from grams of propane to moles of propane, we're going to use a conversion factor. And mathematically, this conversion factor has to be equal to 1. Our equivalence comes from this statement right here. 1 mole of propane is 44 grams. In this conversion factor, we'll put the units that we want on the top. The units that we want, of course, are moles of propane, so we'll put that on the top. The units that we have are grams of propane. So in order to do the conversion, we just need to make these two equal to each other, and we do that with our equivalent statement right here. That equivalence shows us that 1 mole of propane is the same as 44 grams. So now we have our conversion factor, we have what we're starting with, and what we can see is that the grams of propane cancel out, and we can do the math. 552 times 1 divided by 44. And in the end, what we will find, if you do this on your calculator, is that we end up with 12.55 moles of propane.